So this time next week, Damon, we're going to be in actual fall,
That's
not
right.
just meteorological fall, which we've been in since September 1st. But where's the fall weather?
I've been asking the
Quite
same
simply,
questions.
where's the fall weather?
I've been trying to like call people up. I'm like, what's going on? Like, I mean, but it seems like the summer is trying to hang on as long as we can because it's still
And
very
a lot of
muggy.
people are probably happy about that, you know.
True.
But I think at this point, I'm ready for the seasons to change.
A lot of people are jumping on the bandwagon with
feel
that.
like
Yes.
it actually
I
being
agree
fall.
completely. Yeah, we are still got some time before that, but for right now, we're tracking storms, humidity, and all the typical summer stuff. Check out the rainfall totals, estimates anyway, from yesterday. Boy, it was a stormy one for a number of us from Winchester up into Washington, Frederick counties. You see this bright yellow swath right here into parts of northeastern Washington County. Well, yes, that was a line of storms that repetitively dropped heavy rainfall all evening long, and we did see totals that exceeded an inch in Thurmont, Winchester. Matter of fact, some locations were closer to 2 inches of rain yesterday. Now, it's still very cloudy. We have not been able to get rid of any of that cloud cover, and as a result, it is a little bit cooler overall. Temperatures at 74, but those dew points, well, they've gone nowhere. We still have dew points well into the upper 60s and lower 70s area-wide, so while it's cooler with the air temperature, it is still extremely muggy. Check it out. A lot of clouds still lingering about, and they are not going anywhere anytime soon. No rainfall to speak of, but with the front to our east and an approaching low pressure center along the Carolina coastline, there is still a lot of activity going on just offshore, and we're going to see a little bit of an influx of moisture. You see where this front is down across southern Maryland into northern Virginia? That's going to be a focal point for some storm development as we get into the afternoon. I mentioned the temperatures, and yes, it is certainly cooler than this time yesterday, mostly in the 70s, just hitting 80 in D.C., which is a vast improvement anyway from those upper 80s we saw yesterday. So the clouds will continue. We'll have those storms today to the south and east. So right along the I-95 corridors where the soggiest weather is going to be located. Still going to have plenty of humidity straight into the weekend with that coastal system nearby. So no breaks, no briskness in store as we roll toward the weekend, and we do remain warm then once the sun returns into the early part of next week, as we have temperatures about 5 to 10 degrees above average. So check it out as we go into this afternoon and evening. There we go. Storms firing up along the eastern shore down towards the DC metro. These will bubble back to the west a little bit, so that rain could drift all the way toward Hagerstown and Frederick along Interstate 70. We'll end that shortly after sunset with those showers and storms. Very cloudy to start the day tomorrow, and with that storm system nearby off the Atlantic coast, the chance for rainfall is once again there through tomorrow afternoon and evening. So plenty of clouds, plenty of mugginess, and daily storm chances are in the forecast here through the rest of the work week. There we go. A lot of that rainy weather will be confined to the eastern coast later today, and then we are going to see those showers still linger about all the way through the day on Friday. No doubt about it here. So going ahead as we move into the weekend, and once that sun breaks out, we'll have temperatures in the middle 80s by Monday, and as fall starts, it's not getting any cooler, still around 82 next Wednesday.